Revolutionizing breakfast, the Arduino egg timer. Welcome to a morning filled with innovation and a dash of technology. Today, we are excited to introduce the Arduino Uno egg timer, an ingenious little gadget that's about to transform how you cook eggs. This isn't just any timer, it's a do-it-yourself marvel that sits proudly on your kitchen counter, beckoning you from breadboard to breakfast. The heart of our project is the reliable Arduino Uno, paired with 3 user-friendly buttons, a cheerful buzzer, and a crisp OLED display. The setup is straightforward, yet the experience it offers is anything but ordinary. Here's how it works. The first button is your gateway to setting the perfect egg time. A simple press increments the timer, while another button awaits the decrements, ensuring you get the exact duration your breakfast egg needs. The third button, this one here on the right, is the magic key that locks in your chosen time on the display. But what truly sets this timer apart is its intelligent buzzer system. As your eggs nears readiness, the timer initiates a pre-warning buzz at the 2-minute mark. Then, as anticipation builds, the last minute is heralded by a double frequency alert, a subtle reminder that your perfectly cooked egg is almost ready. And when the moment arrives, the buzzer celebrates the occasion with a simple yet delightful melody, signaling that it's time to enjoy your breakfast creation. We're not just talking about it, we're showing it in action. From the initial setup to the final buzz, our video takes you through every step. Watch as we pause at key moments, offering insights and tips to make your Arduino Uno egg timer experience as seamless as possible. No, we don't want 11 minutes for the eggs. Decrement. Let's go for 8. Accept, and it starts to count down. For what it's worth, the counter can be set up to a maximum of 20 minutes. Lol, hard-boiled eggs. Good, let's hear the pre-warnings. The first one in 2 minutes. And I think you can also notice that there's no decrement in the accuracy of the counter during the beeps. And the last minute pre-warning, and pardon for the helicopter sounds over my head. That last pre-warning was double in frequency. And then lastly, for those eager to dive into this project, the complete code is readily available on my website, chemcool.co.za. Whether you're a seasoned do-it-yourself enthusiast or new to the world of microprocessor programming, this project promises fun and a delicious reward. Stay tuned and let's embark on this culinary tech adventure together.